In a world increasingly seeking natural solutions for health and well-being, the wisdom of ancient remedies is making a significant comeback. These time-honored practices, once overshadowed by modern pharmaceuticals, are now being rediscovered and appreciated for their holistic approach to healing. Plants, with their potent properties, have been used for centuries to address various ailments. From soothing teas to potent tinctures, the natural world offers a plethora of options for those seeking alternative treatments. Among these botanical treasures lies Cissus quadrangularis, a vine with a rich history and promising health benefits. Known for its ability to support bone health and reduce inflammation, this plant has been a staple in traditional medicine for generations. Join us as we delve into the world of Cissus quadrangularis, exploring its origins, uses, and the science behind its potential. We'll uncover how ancient cultures utilize this plant and how modern research is validating its efficacy. This comprehensive guide aims to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health. By understanding the historical context and scientific backing of Cissus quadrangularis, you can better appreciate its role in contemporary wellness practices. Remember, the information presented here is for educational purposes only and should not substitute professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking other medications. Embrace the wisdom of the past, but do so with the guidance of modern medical expertise. Cissus quadrangularis, also known as Velt grape or devil's backbone, is a perennial plant native to Africa and parts of Asia. This remarkable vine thrives in hot, arid climates and is characterized by its unique, quadrangular-shaped stems. These stems are the primary source of the plant's medicinal properties and have been used for generations in traditional medicine systems. Its resilience and adaptability in challenging environments speak volumes about its inherent strength. Today, Cissus quadrangularis is gaining recognition beyond its traditional uses, captivating the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. The use of Cissus quadrangularis in traditional medicine is deeply rooted in history. In India, it has long been a staple in Ayurvedic practices, revered for its ability to support bone health and promote healing. Across Africa, various cultures have incorporated it into their healing traditions, utilizing it for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. These time-tested applications highlight the versatility of Cissus quadrangularis and its potential to address a wide range of health concerns. From soothing pain to supporting bone health, its traditional uses have paved the way for modern scientific investigations. Modern science is now catching up to what traditional healers have known for centuries. Researchers are actively investigating the potential benefits of Cissus quadrangularis, with a particular focus on its bioactive compounds. These compounds, including ketosterones and flavonoids, are believed to be responsible for the plant's therapeutic effects. Studies have shown promising results, suggesting that Cissus quadrangularis may support bone health, reduce inflammation, and promote weight management. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action and long-term effects, these findings provide a glimpse into the potential of this ancient remedy. Bone health and beyond, exploring the health benefits. One of the most well-studied benefits of Cissus quadrangularis is its potential to support bone health. Studies suggest that it may enhance bone healing, increase bone mineral density, and reduce pain associated with osteoporosis and fractures. This makes it a promising natural approach to supporting bone health, particularly for individuals at risk of osteoporosis or recovering from bone injuries. Beyond its effects on bone health, Cissus quadrangularis exhibits anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant properties. These properties contribute to its traditional uses for pain relief, wound healing, and overall well-being. Cissus quadrangularis and weight management, aiding your wellness journey. Emerging research suggests that Cissus quadrangularis, a plant native to parts of Asia and Africa, may play a significant role in weight management. This plant has been used traditionally for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. Some studies indicate that it may help reduce body weight, body mass index, and body fat percentage. These findings are promising, especially for those looking for natural ways to support their weight loss journey. While the exact mechanisms are still being investigated, researchers are delving into how Cissus quadrangularis interacts with the body's biological processes. It is believed that Cissus quadrangularis may influence appetite, metabolism, and fat storage. By potentially curbing hunger and boosting metabolic rates, it could aid in creating a more favorable environment for weight loss. However, it is important to note that Cissus quadrangularis is not a magic bullet for weight loss. It should be viewed as a supportive element rather than a standalone solution. Its potential benefits are best realized when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a holistic approach to well-being. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods, staying active, and maintaining a positive mindset are crucial components of any successful weight management plan. Additionally, practices such as meditation and yoga can enhance overall wellness, reducing stress and promoting a healthier lifestyle. By integrating Cissus quadrangularis into a comprehensive wellness strategy, individuals may find it easier to achieve and maintain their health goals. Incorporating Cissus quadrangularis dosage and safety precautions. This is crucial for anyone looking to add this supplement to their daily routine. If you're considering incorporating Cissus quadrangularis into your health regimen, it's crucial to do so safely and effectively. Research thoroughly and consult reliable sources to understand its benefits and potential risks. The appropriate dosage may vary depending on factors such as age, health condition, and the specific form of Cissus quadrangularis being used. For instance, capsules might have different concentration levels compared to powders, and this can affect how much you should take. It's always best to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed under the guidance of a healthcare professional. This approach helps your body adjust to the supplement and minimizes the risk of adverse effects. While generally well tolerated, Cissus quadrangularis may cause mild side effects such as headaches, upset stomach, or dry mouth. These side effects are usually temporary and may subside as your body gets used to the supplement. It's essential to be aware of these potential side effects and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. Always read the label for any additional warnings or instructions specific to the product you are using. Consulting with a healthcare professional is highly recommended before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. They can provide personalized advice and help you determine the right dosage for your needs. Additionally, staying informed by reading scientific articles and reputable sources can help you make educated decisions about your health. Knowledge is power, and being well-informed can prevent potential health risks. Remember to keep track of your supplement intake and set reminders if necessary. Consistency is key to experiencing the potential benefits of Cissus quadrangularis. By following these dosage and safety precautions, you can safely incorporate Cissus quadrangularis into your health regimen and potentially enjoy its numerous benefits, such as improved joint health and enhanced overall well-being. Choosing the right form, supplements, and their benefits. Cissus quadrangularis is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and extracts. Supplements offer a convenient and standardized way to incorporate this beneficial plant into your routine. When choosing a supplement, it's essential to select products from reputable brands that prioritize quality and purity. Look for supplements that have been third-party tested to ensure their potency and safety. Additionally, consider your individual needs and preferences when selecting the most suitable form for your lifestyle. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health videos like these.